Welcome back to Protect Nature, where we capture the devastating effects of hurricanes and floods. We will witness the destructive power of nature, from hurricanes that wipe out everything in their path, to floods that submerge entire cities, leaving behind devastation and loss. Every image, every film, every story shared on Protect Nature is a wake-up call, a call to action. Because our actions will help reduce the impact of climate change and protect the planet. Let's continue our journey of discovery to better understand the challenges we face and find ways to act to protect our planet. Are you ready? Let's get started. Volcanic lava flows, burning everything in its path. A landslide on a mountain road has blocked the road, making travel difficult. Heavy rain and strong winds created a violent storm that shook the trees. The storm poured down heavily, creating torrential downpours accompanied by raging winds. The landslide was caused by last night's rain, causing rocks and soil to flow down. The scene was chaotic and dangerous. Oh my God! The volcano is erupting lava. It's scary. The house is being swept away by the flood. It's scary. A tornado at sea creates a giant column of water that rises high into the sky. Rolling rocks and soil slide down the mountain slope, endangering mountain road traffic. Lava flows from volcanoes, creating veins and deep cracks in the ground's surface. Waves crashed into the shore, causing flooding in coastal areas. While the lava continued to erupt, the light of the fire lit up the night sky. After the storm, the road was flooded, causing traffic inconvenience. The volcano erupted continuously, with growling sounds and loud explosions causing chaos in the surrounding landscape. Rocks and soil rolled down the mountainside, forming huge piles of rubble. Floods swept through the town, inundating streets and causing severe damage to many homes. Hot lava flows from the volcano. The volcano erupted, creating huge columns of smoke and ash. Continuous heavy rain has caused the road to be severely flooded. Huge blocks of rock and soil poured down from the mountainside. It was terrible. Floods created deep puddles on roads, causing serious damage. The tornado is scary. Floods swept through the area, leaving roads and homes submerged in deep water. Floods inundate the streets, making it difficult for vehicles to move. Landslides blocked roads, causing serious traffic jams. Tsunami hit shore with terrible force, high risk of flooding. The volcano is erupting, with molten lava pouring out of the crater, creating streams of red-hot fire. Tsunamis crashed into the shore with towering columns of water, sweeping away everything in their path. Huge rocks were swept down the cliff by a landslide. It was terrifying. Continuous heavy rains have caused rivers to overflow their banks, causing severe flooding over large areas. Tsunami comes with huge waves. The volcano erupted continuously, creating rivers of fire that rolled down the mountainside. The wave hit the town, causing a high risk of flooding. Floods are invading the town. The river was full of water, flowing fast and rolling like ferocious dragons in a rage. Snow fell from the mountaintop, carrying rocks and soil, creating a white flood. Rocks and soil rolled down from above, damaging the mountain road. The volcanic explosion occurred with terrible force. Smoke and fire billowed into the sky, forming columns of black smoke covering the sky. Oh my God! Landslides endanger mountain road traffic. Heavy rain caused water from the mountains to flow down into low-lying rivers, creating raging streams. Oh my God, the flood was scary. Soil and rocks from the cliff collapsed, forming a thick layer on the ground. A powerful blizzard swept through the highlands with fierce winds and heavy snow, reducing visibility and leaving everything icy. Floodwaters rose, carrying mud and rubbish, making it difficult for vehicles to move. Storms at sea create huge waves, crashing against the shore and making the sea violently rough. The landslide area has become dangerous, with cracks and debris scattered about. Boiling lava gushed out from the crater, forming billowing streams of red fire. Heavy rain lasting for many consecutive days has caused rivers to overflow their banks, causing serious flooding. A terrible storm hit the city, sweeping everything away. The lava boiled and erupted from the crater, forming fierce streams of molten fire, ping everything away. Floodwater flows from the mountains into the river, causing flooding in the plains. Large-scale forest fire endangers neighboring town. Thank you for joining Protect Nature on this journey to discover the terrifying power of natural disasters and their far-reaching impact on the environment. We have witnessed the devastating effects of typhoons, tsunamis, and landslides, and learned valuable lessons about human resilience and resilience. Your concern and passion are the driving force that keeps us going in our mission to protect the environment and move towards a more sustainable and safer future for all. Together, we will continue to fight for a healthy and hopeful planet.